Hello, I'm Dennis Helsel, instructor for the one-week class Applied Environmental Statistics. Major topics in the class start with 4 basics. First, which parameters and tests fit the characteristics of your data? Should you use a mean or a median to describe the center? How do you know which? Should you transform data to a different scale? How do you deal with outliers? Second, how do you do hypothesis testing in a credible way? How do they work? I've heard there are non-parametric tests, parametric tests, and permutation tests. Which type of test should I use? There's blocking. What does that do for me when I run hypothesis tests? Third, how can I build a good multiple regression equation? I know that there are newer, better methods than just R squared, but what are they and how do they work? Which should I use? Fourth, how can I do trend analysis for my messy environmental data? How do I deal with things like seasonal variation or relationships to outside variables? The focus in this class is not on deriving equations, but understanding what each method does, how it works, why to use it, and sometimes why not to use it. For those of you who think that the class is too basic at the beginning, I promise you, you won't think that by the time that we're done. After each lecture, each student will run an exercise on their computer using our software. Our goal is that when you get back to your desk the next week, what you've learned goes back with you. You can take these methods and apply them directly to your own data. The primary prerequisite for this class is that you know that you need this material. We'll take care of presenting it in a way that you can understand. I hope to see you in the class this coming November.